Hey guys, how's it going? This is HelpfulLockPicker here, and welcome back to this week's Lock Sport update. I have some really cool updates this week that I'd like to share with you, and what information is coming up on them in just a second. Please stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for checking out this week's Lock Sport update. This is a really fun video series that I run every single Saturday. If you happen to be new here, thank you so much for stopping by. This is a community video series where it serves to update the community on anything that I have been working on, and it's a great place for the community to share anything that they have been working on or anything that they would like to see highlighted. If you have anything that you would like to see shared next week, please drop it in the comment section below, and I'd love to share it next week. In my own personal life, I have always been told that good things often happen in three. I've had three pretty positive things happen in my life very recently. As I mentioned in my Locksport update last week, my wife was going to be induced. I have since had my son born last Friday, and it has been a really great positive change. And I just want to say thank you so much to everyone that left all those supportive comments. I really appreciate it, and this is a really, really great time in my life to have everything start to fall into place. It's really nice to have my son, and it's going to be really fun watching him grow up. Another thing that I have been waiting on for quite a while that is starting to come into fruition is my silver bullet lockpicks that I've been waiting on. Huxley Pig is the first one that I ordered. He is the original creator of the silver bullet, which is probably one of the best disc-detainer picks that you can get. He hand makes them. They are of his own design, his own intellectual property, and he has really spent many years refining them. He has picked many of the very difficult alloy locks that no others have probably picked, and it is such an honor to be able to get a pick from him. He has told me that the pick is actually made right now, but what he wants to do is take it to the OzSecCon and show it off with all of the tips, and then he'll mail it out to me in the next few weeks. I just want to say, Huxley Pig, you do an incredible job, and thank you again for making that for me. I am so excited to have it come my way, and I just cannot wait to have it come in. And in the interim, since I have been waiting almost 2 years for that pick, I had also ordered a silver bullet version that is made by Lockfall.com, which is going to be a really cool thing to check out and see the differences. Lockfall.com has licensed out his design and he's selling them. He is currently not taking any orders currently, but hopefully in the near future he'll be able to get some more out to the general public. But I'm just so excited to have these disc-detainer picks coming my way, and it's going to be such a fun thing to learn. I hope I can hone my skill set and be able to do some really great instructional videos on the process. Another thing that I'd like to share this week is, if you've been following Lockpicking Patrolman recently, he's had a few great things change in his life, and he's had one negative thing in his life. He has recently moved into a new home, he has updated his lock studio, and he's been having a really fun time doing that. But during the move, at some point in the new house, my understanding is his cat Bernoulli has had an accident. Lockpicking Patrolman has several cats. He really loves them, and they're really great cats. But what happened to Bernoulli is the cat had an injury to the eye, which is now necessitating an emergent surgery to get that eye removed, is my understanding. With all the moving costs and all of the changes in his life, he's having quite a hard time trying to cover that unexpected expense. And what he has done is he has set up a GoFundMe page. If anyone would like to offer him any support, what I'll do is I'll put a link to his GoFundMe page in the video description below. If you'd like to check it out and consider supporting him, Lockpicking Patrolman is a really nice guy. He runs a really nice channel. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a quick clip of his channel so you can check him out.
Alright, here it is. It's hot outside, and our lock is on the mower shed. Hopefully we'll be able to get in. I'm not sure. It's gonna take some work. Let's get started. Alright, so here's this lock on the shed, but it's not the usual lock that I keep on there. But fortunately, somebody has left us the keys right here. Oh darn, I dropped the keys. I think there's a spider down there, maybe a snake, I'm not sure. whatever shall I do? You hear that dog? I saw that dog yesterday. That's a big dog. That's a German Shepherd mix. What he's mixed with, I don't know. Maybe a bear. Anyway, thankfully, we've got the shed open. We can get in and mow the grass now.
Thank you so much for checking out Lockpicking Patrolman. If you would like to see any more videos by him, what I'm going to do is I'll put a link up on the top here so you can check him out and consider subscribing. The next thing that I'd like to do is to share a few of the very small channels that Lockmania has shared with me over the last few weeks. These channels are under 50 subscribers. They are still in their very beginning stages. And I just want to say, Lockmania, thank you again for sharing all of these and really doing a great job trying to grow the community and have everyone be known. If you haven't checked out Lockmania already, I'll put a link up on the top here so you can check out his channel and consider subscribing. The first channel that he shared with me goes by Todd, and it is a channel that has very few subscribers. And what I'd like to do right now is to show you a very quick clip of that channel. Thank you so much for checking out Todd. If you would like to see more videos by him, what I'm going to do is put a link up on the top here so you can check him out further, and if you like what you see, you can consider subscribing. Every subscription makes a really big difference, and thank you so much for checking out Todd's channel. Another very small channel that Lockmania shared goes by EOS Locksport. What I'm going to do is share a very quick clip of this channel as well so you can see what their channel looks like and you can try to check them out.
What we have today is a master padlock, lockout tagout, something a little bit different, a hardened plastic body, dead core, and it's the bitting on the key, standard southward hook. And there we go.
Thank you so much for checking out EOS Locksport. If you enjoyed the video clip that you saw and you'd like to see more like it, what I'm going to do is put a link up on the top here so you can check them out and consider subscribing. The last channel that I'd like to share this week goes by Brittany G. This is another very small channel that was shared to me by Lockmania. What I'm going to do is run a clip of it right now.
Hey everybody, I'm going to try a couple of simple padlocks today. I want to thank everybody who subscribed and commented on my last videos. I'm just a beginner and having fun, but it's always nice to get feedback. So this is an Excel padlock. I have no idea what brand it is. It looks like it's a maybe a 5-pinner. Not sure. Let's give it a go. Here we go. Sticky 4.
Thank you so much for checking out Brittany G. If you enjoyed the video and you'd like to see more videos like it, what I'm going to do is put a link up on the top here so you can check out Brittany G and consider subscribing. I just want to say thank you to everyone that every week checks out all of these smaller channels, subscribes to them, and shows your support. Every subscription really makes a huge difference, and it really helps these channels be able to show up higher in the search algorithm and just have a much stronger footing in the Locksport community on YouTube. I'm just so happy to see how positive this community is and just how happy they are to support everyone. Thank you again to everyone for just being such an awesome community, and that is all I have for this week's Locksport update. If you have any updates that you would like to see shared next week, as always, please drop them in the comment section below, and I'd love to try to share them next week. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below as well. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking out this video, and I hope you all have a great day, and thank you so much for checking this out.